how to make truss in Archicad. In this video, I will show you how to make truss using truss make tool in Archicad. So let me first show you my truss. You can make different type of trusses in Archicad using the truss making tool. To go to truss making tool, you need to go to design. You can see design extras and roof extras. So you go to design extras, and down here you can see truss making tool. Then you can create truss or edit truss. So you need first to activate the line. You cannot just create truss, you will get this error. For making truss girder, you should select lines or arcs. So you need to make a sketch of the truss that you want to make. So we are going to make that sketch here. So I'll go to first floor. Let me go to first floor. I need my truss to span from this point to this point. So I'll pick a line. I'll activate the line tool. Then pick this point to that point. I can change the line color to be dark so that it can be visible. Then I can just drag this line here. So we want to make a sketch of this truss so that we can be able to use the truss making tool. So I want to drag it from there. Okay. Now my truss apex has a height of 7 feet. So I will just sorry for that. I will just hold shift D, then 7 feet, enter. Can just inject parameters. So I want all my lines to be dark in color. Okay, now I want to again join this point to this point, that point, that point. Then I will just drag this one, move, drag multiple copy by 15, that is 7.5. Again 7.5. That now 15 this time. Again this side 7.5. Again 15. Okay, cancel. Now I want to cut this portion. I'm holding control. Okay, now again I will join these points. Okay, now this is a sketch of the truss that I need I will just select everything, then go to design, um, design extras, truss making, create truss. So you can select my current truss is rolled steel, that is I section. You can either select timber, hollow, that is rectangular hollow, truss profile, that is my truss profile. So let's select timber, then I will name it truss 2. Already we have another truss, so this is truss 2. Okay. Now this time, let me select truss 1, or just go to story 2. I need to remove these ones. Now I need to drag this, move. I can just copy, go to story 2, paste. Move, drag multiple copies from this point. I want to move to drag the truss, not the line. Okay. And I need to copy this truss to story 2. Either copy, let me go to story 2. I hope, paste. Original location, okay. Now this time, go back to story 1, show and trace reference, and go to story 2. Now move, drag multiple copies. Okay. So My trans, let me uh, select object. I mean, let's activate tool, then Control Alt so that I can change this to 50 because my span is 50. Then I can move by dragging on it to the, okay. Now let's see the 3D view. So this is our new truss, and you can see the truss that we just copied from story 1 to story 2. Now this is the truss that we just created. You can create various shapes as simple as that using the truss making tool in Archicad. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel.